Well, 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 what do we have here? Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. You just made it for our Zenfone 5 unboxing. Okay, first things first, this isn't the retail box. It's a special preview box for journalists. What you're going to get is an actual retail box, which I believe is inside this big box. But first, let's take a look at the outside of this special big box. You see the hashtag back to 5, and basically this is a reference to the very first Zenfone 5. Many years ago, ASUS launched the Zenfone 5. It was one of the first Zenphones. That was when they named their phones after the actual screen size. And if you turn the phone around, you'll find the We Love Photo logo, which is an indication that ASUS has been working on its camera and that this phone will have a dual camera setup. Okay, are you ready? Let's lift it up. Are you ready for a second time? Let's try that again. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the actual retail box of the Zenfone 5. As you can see, it's a little darker. It's not black, it's like a dark blue and embossed on its sides in a nice neon blue We Love Photo. Let's set this aside for now, and there's a little drawer over here. Let's go ahead and pull this drawer out and see what's inside. Oh, that's why it has a handle. You're supposed to pull from the handle. Okay, looks like the accessories are in this little drawer or compartment over here. You'll see them and we'll go over them one by one. A USB charger, USB Type-C cable, headphones, and ear tips. And last but not the least, a jelly case. Now, if for some strange reason you're joining us late, this is not how the contents are going to be packaged. All of these accessories will be inside the box. This was just a special presentation to make our unboxing video a little bit more special. This is what the retail packaging looks like. Everything will be inside this box. Now let's go ahead and lift up this carton. And first thing that you'll see is this packet over here that says, We Love Photo. And then inside is a SIM ejector tool and a user guide. Most likely, the jelly case will also be in this little packet over here. Next up, you have the Zenfone 5. Now, while our box says black, the official color is actually midnight blue. It also comes in meteor silver. And last but not the least, when you pull this tab over here, you'll find that there's space for all the other accessories. They should also be inside the box, nicely arranged like so. If you'd like to learn more about the Zenfone 5, you can click over here. We've actually done a pretty exhaustive hands-on video while we were in Barcelona. But just to talk about it briefly, the Zenfone 5 is an all-glass smartphone. It has rounded corners, and in the back, you'll notice that it has a dual camera setup, a fingerprint sensor, and the ASUS logo. If you hold it up to the light, you'll also notice that the phone has the concentric circle design. Okay, now let's power up the phone, and while we do, roll spec sheet. It's worth pointing out that while a lot of phones have Snapdragon 636 processors, the Zenfone 5 is the first that will come with the AI chip activated. When you turn on the device up front, the biggest thing you'll notice is that it has a notch. But unlike many other notch phones which have already been announced, you'll find that the notch on the Zenfone 5 is a little bit wider and also a little bit angular or sharper. On the right side, there's a volume rocker and a power button. On the left, a hybrid SIM card slot. And on the bottom, a headphone jack, USB-C port, and speaker grills. Okay, very quickly, let's put on the jelly case. Nice snug fit. And take a look over here, there's actually the Zenfone branding etched on the right side of the jelly case. It's also worth pointing out that up front, there is no home button, so all of those are on-screen buttons. And that was our ASUS Zenfone 5 unboxing. We'd like to thank the folks over at ASUS for making our unboxing experience a little more special. Remember, for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow GadgetMatch on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.